Hello and welcome to my channel Pronounce Well. Today, we're going to learn how to pronounce UwU. You might have seen this expression all over the internet, but how exactly do you say it? Let's find out. First things first, what does UwU mean? Well, it's an emoticon that represents a cute face, often used to convey happiness, affection, or excitement. Now, let's break down the pronunciation. It's simple. UwU is pronounced as two syllables, oo and oo. Think of it like saying oo twice in a row. Practice saying UwU slowly at first, making sure to emphasize both oo sounds. Then, gradually increase your speed until it rolls off your tongue effortlessly. And there you have it. You now know how to pronounce UwU like a pro. So go ahead, spread some cuteness and joy with your newfound knowledge. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep spreading those UwUs.